Next up, Fort Eyrie. In this quick video, I'll show you how to get the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so starting off, you'll probably want to start from nearby this little icon over here, as we'll head towards this main building just next to the icon itself. The easiest way to get up here is from a road that goes all the way around, or alternatively, you could make your way up from the bottom. I would say we'll go from the top, but my vehicle is broken. So instead, we'll start at the bottom. Okay, so heading in here at the very bottom, it should be best to do this from the top, so watch this video in reverse order, but if you need to find your way up from the bottom, there's different staircases and things to make your way. Starting over here from this central area, you should find it just on this first little platform here, the gear crate just sitting out in the middle of nowhere. Obviously, if you start from the top, you'll be parachuting down from somewhere there to here. Zooming in, I'm pretty much in the center of this big chasm here. This is the gear crate, and from it, we get these few items. Alright, now we need to make our way back up. Obviously, if you're starting from the bottom, you'll find ladders and things like that to slowly make your way up. It is going to take some time though. Heading all the way up here through this very windy path filled with ladders and ramps, we eventually find ourselves in a town at the very top. This is obviously one of the preferred few entrances. Alright, so starting over here to this building on the far left, we should see inside of this panorama mall. And if we head upstairs here, we should find the weapon crate just upstairs to the left, and inside of it we get all of these parts here. So it's an okay crate. Then we can head north to just north of this icon here, where we should find a few more things. So over here, starting from the main entrance over here towards the east side of this building, we'll head into this big building over here, and just inside, you should find to the right this little gear crate over here. If we loot this, we get these items from it. Now the final thing will be the mystical crate, and that's located on top of the tower on the building that we're currently in. So we'll loot everything we can down here, find our way out, and we'll head towards the northwest side of this building. Over here, you should find a ramp that takes you all the way up to the top, and a ladder that brings us around to this spot. Then left, we should be able to make our way up this tower. So in here and all the way up to the top. There we go. At the top, you'll find the mystical crate over here, and we get this item from it. And with that, the last thing to do is the rift anchor just to the south of this. We'll parachute down and head towards the rift anchor. And when we activate this, we're now done with this area. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.